Hey everyone, Daniel Kerr here. So yeah, it's springtime, almost 3 weeks. It'll be springtime, and I'm about to send out my first email of 2022. And I thought that I would offer a free ESX and ES2 set pack. It's got 128 synth waves, bass lines, plucks, strings, everything, and then it's got 128. It's got 128 drum hits as well, right? And it's got some patterns, and the patterns are in 120 BPM in F minor this time. So if you want to remix some of this stuff and send it back to me, that would be awesome. But to get this pack, you need to go and opt in at ghostwrittenclips.com. There's a link in the description, and you can get it for free. I'm going to send out my email. It's got a lot of brand new stuff, tutorials and packs and all kinds of things. For those of you who are already on my email list, you know that I only send out one, maybe two emails per year. So this is the first good one. There's a lot of new stuff in there for ES2 and Octatrack and for ESX and for the MC808 and for just lots of packs, Ableton Live projects, racks, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, do that. Now for this particular pack project file, you can see that in all the patterns, and the patterns do go together. They are in F minor, 120 BPMs, but they don't exactly go in a certain order. You can change them the way that you want them and go in the order that you want. But one thing is channel number 8, this one, is basically set to external in. So it not only sequences an external synthesizer, and it has a bunch of arpeggios. Each one is a little different. And it sends out note information to an external synth on MIDI channel 8. And you can route that synth back into the input. And you can use the filters and all the effects, and et cetera, et cetera. For this demo, I'm going to be sequencing the PSS-480 Yamaha toy keyboard from the 80s. It's got nice MIDI, so I can send it out just on channel 8. And then I'm going to be routing that with all the editable FM synthesis goodness to my RC-505, and I'm going to be recording loops on the fly. Everything is all completely MIDI'd together, MIDI synced, so it sounds amazing. So when you're watching this demo, you'll get all these patterns. Some of them might sound good together, some of them not so much. I'm not really sure how it's going to sound together, but probably pretty good because I have a lot of experience with this. And of course, you have to keep in mind that you're not going to be getting the sounds that come from the PSS-480, but actually you're going to be impressed, I think, with the stuff I have. It's 120 BPMs. That's a lot slower than what I'm used to working in, but I kind of feel like maybe that's the tempo for the year or something. It's got a lot of room for me to breathe. It's not so cluttered, and if I want to double time stuff, then it's 240 BPMs, which is faster than any hardcore. Anyway, be blessed. I hope you guys had a great winter, and spring is upon us.